Hello everyone, this is SUNTECH. I'm Eric. Today I'd like to introduce you our automated packing solution, which is efficiency and labor saving.
SUNTECH automated packing solutions for various fabric rolls make 7 times efficiency boosted and maximize material saving. The machine is equipped with advanced sensors that can accurately detect the length and diameter of the fabric rolls to ensure precise packing. The main sealing section utilizes heat sealing technology, creating a strong and even seal. The side sealing section also uses heat sealing technology to ensure packing integrity and appearance. The innovative hot air blowing and punching device makes the fabric rolls more compact and aesthetically pleasing, ensuring high quality for your end customers. The control panel is user-friendly and intuitive, allowing for easy adjustments of parameters as required. Our packing machine can pack 7 rolls per minute at the fastest. Full automation saves costs and improves efficiency.
Okay, that's it for today's intro. If you want to know more or customize the products, please contact us.